Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a get ready with me that I filmed a few days ago. So I'm starting off with my MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm just dotting that all over my face and then I'm blending it out with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. I love this sponge, it works really well. Then moving on to brows, I'm taking the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. I think this is in the shade Espresso, and I'm just using that to fill in my brows and just outline them a little bit. Then taking this Cool Tone powder, I'm using that to fill in my brows a little bit more and more towards the inner part of my brows. So setting my brows in place with the Brow Sculpting Gel from Ardell. This is actually my first time using it and I really liked it. I think it's going to be replacing my Loreal one. So taking the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette and this cream shade to set my lids. Then going in with these two peachy shades, I'm mixing them together and just adding that to my crease on a fluffy brush. Next going in with this brown eyeshadow and I'm taking that on a little bit smaller brush and adding that to my crease. Then taking this gold eyeshadow, it's actually a highlighter, and I'm just pressing that on my lids. I love this colour, it's so pigmented. Then taking this bronzy colour and I'm just sweeping that over my lid, kind of blending it into the gold shade. I love the way these two look together. Then taking this cream shade and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. I just really wanted to brighten this area. Next for highlighter, I'm taking my Pro Concealer from LA Girl and I actually cut the bottom of this just to get out all the concealer because it was almost empty, and I'm just putting that on the usual areas that I like to highlight. So under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, a little bit between my brows and chin, also a little bit above my lip. I'm also taking a little bit of this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer just for a little bit of extra brightening. I love this concealer. Then blending that out with my sponge. To set that in place, I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder and just putting that in the lid. I'm going to be setting my face pretty heavily because I wanted this to last all day and it was a really hot day, so I didn't want it to move around and get like really oily. So now I'm just finishing off my lash line. I'm just adding the colours from light to dark, the same colours that I used in my crease, and then curling my lashes and adding some mascara. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I'm taking the AC On Tour contour kit and just taking that more warm tone shade. This palette is really pigmented, so you just want to be really careful. You don't want to go in with a heavy hand because it does go a long way. And I really love the way this looks on the skin once it's blended out. I just really love the shades. Yeah, I really need to use this more. It's like at the bottom of my drawers, so I hardly ever use it. Then going in with that cool tone shade and just contouring my face a little bit more with a smaller brush. And contouring my nose as well. Then I'm taking a bit of that banana shade and just pressing that under my eyes and on the highlighted areas, just to really brighten it up. Then just blending that out with a duo fiber brush. For blush, I'm taking Milani Luminoso, one of my favorite blushes. To highlight, I'm going to be mixing these two and just highlighting the high points of my face. These highlighters are so pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Also just highlighting my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. And then I added a little bit to my brow bone. I'm setting my face, oh well, not setting my face, but I'm adding the Fix Plus. I just like to spray my face with this. It just melts all the makeup together and makes it look really healthy. I wanted to do a really bright lip, so I'm taking the Loreal lipstick in the shade, it's number 115 Rouge Coral. So moving on to hair, this is my natural hair. It's naturally really curly, and I'm just going to be straightening my hair. So I like to section off my hair, just do a little bit at a time. This day was really hot, so it wasn't fun straightening my hair. It was like, it was just so hot in my room, and yeah, I was sweating, my hair was sticking to me, it was just a mess. I'm taking this smoothing cream and it has argan oil in it. It just really makes my hair nice and soft and shiny. So I'm just taking a little bit and then running that through my hair, just focusing mainly on the ends. And this is how my hair looks. And that's it for this look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.